Hello everybody again, here is Cibele Vieira. We're gonna do today my favorite pop-up card is the heart card. It was very popular in the hospital, the nurses, everybody love it. See, it's oops. So first, what do we need for pop-up card, or for heart pop-up card? We need for the card, we need a fake kind of cardstock paper. I'm gonna use this red one. And for the heart, we're gonna need, it has to be a paper that has a little structure. So can it be like a magazine paper, can be the cover of the magazine. I have one cardstock here that's a little dirty, so I'm gonna use just a part of it. So I'm gonna use this one, because it's easier for you guys to see how I'm gonna do it. But you can be very creative here, This I did a while back, and I had a beautiful paper, but now that I'm home, I don't have more of those beautiful papers. This was a cover of a magazine. It was, I think, someone's dress or something at the back of the magazine, and I made this. So just be creative, look for, and you're gonna find it. Okay. So first things first, we're gonna make the heart part. That's the part we're gonna make it. Okay, it's very, very, very simple. So I'm gonna make. First, I'm gonna get the paper. I'm not gonna use this whole paper because it's dirty. So I'm gonna cut here a little part that's dirty. I don't wanna wear it. I'm gonna just cut off so it doesn't really bother me. Okay. So cut a little bit, like it's not a squarish. So I'm gonna fold it. Okay. The secret of those really easy pop-up cards is to always make. I have my tool here. I forgot. I'm gonna use it. Okay. Is everything has to be even, has to be balanced. So I'm gonna do by hand here, okay? One side of the heart. So I'm gonna just, oops. Do I like it? Oh, I didn't know. Do I like it? I didn't like so much. So I'm gonna fix a little. And it's also nice because it's very forgiving, because this part's gonna be glue inside the cards. So nobody's gonna be seeing that. So now I draw, well, I think this heart, I like it, okay? So I'm gonna get my scissor and I'm gonna cut my heart out, okay? So see how cool is that? So easy. I'm gonna cut the heart out. Woo. Let's open the heart. We have a heart, isn't cool? Okay, so now we are gonna draw a smaller heart inside of this heart. Smaller one. So it's like maybe like half an inch smaller. Trying to use the same drawing. It's just the same drawing, it's just a smaller version. So I use my eyeballing it. You can do one that you can make like a template and keep doing that. See? Okay, so now I'm gonna mark right on the side. It's gonna be like a little less half an inch. I'm gonna make like see, okay, those little things here. So now we're gonna cut again. We're gonna cut from here to here, and here to here, and we're not gonna cut this side. So this side we're not going to cut. Okay. So, I'm gonna get the scissors. I'm gonna cut one side from the line that I draw until the little thing here over there. And I'm gonna cut the other side, okay, to the other way around until the thing that I did over here, okay? Hi folks, can you be silent over there? I'm sorry, but I'm in the middle of my video here. Okay, so here it is. Okay, see? So look, this is here. So now I'm gonna open up my card. Okay, look at this. And I'm gonna pull back this card and I'm gonna fold. You can even fold beforehand. You can pull up your card here and you can kind of pull. I think it's easier. You can fold one side, fold the other side again. Okay, so now it's folded. So I'm gonna open your card. Your heart. It's not a card yet. Yep. Oops. It's a pop-up. See? It's a pop-up heart. Isn't it easy? Very easy. Now we need to put this in the card. So we're gonna get our paper. That's gonna be the paper. We're gonna really nice here. We're gonna fold in the middle. I'm gonna really use my tool now. Okay, because I wanna I wanna try to as nice as I can. Take your time folding. Fold is not an easy thing. Fold is a lot of practice. More you fold, better you get. Even things are gonna do. Okay, so that's the card. Okay, so now is now we're gonna learn how to glue. It's very easy, very simple. We're gonna glue one side first. Okay, so I'm gonna be very simple. The trick is try to use as little glue as possible. Okay, so it doesn't smear. No. This because I'm using thicker paper now, it's easier, but no. But if you're using a thinner paper, you don't want to create bubbles on your glue. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my heart, half of the heart. I just put glue in the half of the heart, and I'm gonna put right in the folding. Okay, right in the folding, and I'm gonna close. Make sure. Okay, so now. This side is glue already. See, one side is glue. So now it's very easy. You're just gonna glue. You can even put a paper now to make sure that doesn't really get glue on the card. Okay, you're just gonna put glue here. Try to be as less messy as possible. Okay. And now we're gonna put fold back of paper here. And we're gonna open. Here it is, our pop-up heart card. Wasn't easy for someone's birthday or just for decorating your house right now. You know, it's just very simple, very easy, very happy, and you can play with papers. You can write on top or write on bottom. Or no, you can just video chat someone, give them the personal card for your heart. Okay. So, what do we need? A thicker paper like a cardstock card, some structural paper, not doesn't be as thick as the cardboard, but